Sweet Restore Glycogen Support claims to improve glycogen replenishment, improve recovery, and support overall athletic performance. Priced at $18, it positions itself as an affordable option for athletes and fitness lovers looking to boost their performance. Here are some of the concerns and red flags that can be considered. One of the significant concerns is the absence of detailed ingredient information. Without transparency regarding what's inside the product, consumers cannot make informed decisions about its safety and efficacy. Secondly, the product makes several health claims that lack scientific backing. Users are suspicious of such assertions, particularly when no clinical studies or credible evidence are provided to support the effectiveness of the product. Moreover, there are many users have reported negative experiences, stating that it doesn't work for me. This sentiment raises questions about the product's reliability and effectiveness, suggesting that it may not deliver on its promises for everyone. Another alarming red flag is the reported lack of vendor support. Customers have expressed frustration over unresponsive customer service, making it difficult to resolve issues or seek assistance regarding the product. Also, some users have shared experiences of adverse side effects after using Sweet Restore. Reports of severe reactions can deter potential customers and highlight the need for caution when considering this supplement. In conclusion, while Sweet Restore Glycogen Support is marketed as a beneficial supplement for recovery and performance, several red flags warrant careful consideration. The lack of ingredient transparency, unsubstantiated claims, negative user feedback, poor vendor support, and reports of side effects all contribute to a perception that this product may not be a legitimate solution for glycogen support. Buyers should consider these factors before making a purchase. Subscribe for more reviews and informative content.